Something big is happening at the Federal Reserve, behind closed doors, because it ruins Trump's plans to violently cut interest rates in 2026. So a few days ago, the Federal Reserve reappointed 11 of its 12 regional bank presidents all at once. And they did this months before their terms were set to expire, which doesn't usually happen. And this matters because Trump is making it clear that he wants the Fed to cut interest rates, and there's nothing Trump can do about it until he appoints a new Fed chair in May. And the reason he wants lower rates is because it helps reduce the deficit by lowering the interest payments. It stimulates the economy and it inflates asset prices. But the Fed thinks that rate cuts would come with massive inflation risk, so they're not in agreement on this. But replacing Powell alone won't give Trump the control that he wants, because all of the regional Fed presidents get a vote in interest rate decisions. So by reappointing these folks earlier than normal, the Fed has locked them in for another 5 years. So even if Powell is replaced by a Trump loyalist, it doesn't necessarily mean that Trump gets what he wants. The good news is that this gives the Fed independence from political pressures, which is how it's meant to be. But the bad news is that rate cuts have already been priced in, and now this move changes everything.